Hi, I'm Jack Shales with Record It. Welcome to today's tips and tricks sessions as we look at document retrieval in OnBase. To begin retrieving documents in OnBase, I'm first going to select Retrieval from the top ribbon. Then, on the left-hand side, I'm going to select my document type group, which will narrow down my list of document types. Then I'll select the document type that I want to search on. And once I select my document type, I'll see the full range of keywords that I'm able to filter my results with. Things like a name, phone number, address, and even a date range. I'm going to start by adding a date range filter between 2016 and 2021 so that I'm searching all resumes within a 5-year period. And then I'm going to enter Jane Harper as the first name I'm going to search on. If I want to search on multiple names, I can double click on any of those keywords to get multiple name fields. So I can search for Jane Harper or Mary with a wildcard after, so it'll pull up any Marys. So you can see I've got Mary Nelson, Jane Harper, and Mary Montrose. And then I can simply double click on any of those results to access the document that I got from that hit list. Let's try retrieving documents on a different document type. So we're going to switch the document type group to accounts payable, and we're going to select APPO invoices. You'll see that we have different keywords to search on in this case. And in this case, we're going to search for all invoices with a total greater than $1,000. So by clicking the operator button, I can easily change it to equals 1,000 to greater than 1,000. And then I get my hit list of invoices greater than $1,000 in value, and I can double click to select the correct one. Once I open the document, from the top ribbon, I can access the keyword panel to see any of the other keywords related to this document. I can open up the cross-references to be able to see any related documents to this invoice, in this case related by that purchase order number. And I can also, if I've got the proper permissions, see the full document history so that I can see every action that was performed on it and each user that performed the action with a date and time stamp. Lastly, if there is anything of note that's special about this document that might fall outside the different keywords, I can always leave a note on the document that will travel with the document. It can be burned into the document as text, or it can be a sticky note type overlay like you see here. And this text of the note that I'm looking at right now and writing is something that I can then search on later right from the note search in the same retrieval window that we were searching in before. Although the first two searches that we performed were in the Unity client, we can perform those same searches from the web client as you see here. So we've got our same resume type search, and I'm searching with Jane Harper and Mary something with that wildcard. Once I get the and or operator correct, I'm going to pull that same hit list of those 3 names, and I can pull up Jane Harper's resume from the web client just as easily as I was able to from the Unity client. I hope you saw how easy document retrieval is with a powerful tool like OnBase. On behalf of the Record It team, this is Jack Shales. Thank you so much.